Welcome to ContentHolic, your go-to destination for expert advice and guidance on academic writing, especially when it comes to crafting exceptional dissertations. We understand that writing a dissertation can be a daunting task, but fear not. Our team of seasoned professionals has put together this step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the process successfully. Let's begin with this. Step number 1 is choose an engaging topic. The first and crucial step in writing your dissertation is selecting an engaging topic. Aim for something that piques your interest and aligns with your academic goals. Make sure the topic is well defined, research worthy, and has enough scholarly material available. Step number 2 is conduct thorough research. Once you have settled on a topic, dive into extensive research. Utilize academic databases, libraries, and credible online sources to gather relevant literature, studies, and data. Take detailed notes to organize your findings efficiently. Step number 3 is create a solid proposal. Craft a compelling dissertation proposal that outlines your research objectives, methodology, and significance of your study. Your proposal serves as a roadmap for your entire dissertation and must be approved by your academic advisor. Now let's go to step number 4, which is develop a strong outline. Create a detailed outline that will serve as the skeleton for your dissertation. It should include chapters, subheadings, and main points you plan to cover in each section. This structure will provide clarity and keep your writing focused. Step number 5 would be write the introduction. Begin your dissertation with a well-crafted introduction that clearly states the research problem, objectives, and the context of your study. Hook your readers and provide them with a strong rationale for your research. Step number 6 would be conduct methodical research. Present your research methodology in detail, explaining how you will gather and analyze data. Justify your chosen methods and address any potential limitations. Step number 7 is analyze and interpret data. Once you have collected data, analyze it using appropriate tools and techniques. Provide clear interpretations of the results and relate them back to your research questions. The fourth step number 8 would be compose the literature review. Write a comprehensive literature review that critically analyzes existing scholarly works related to your topic. Demonstrate your understanding of the research landscape and highlight gaps that your study addresses. Now let's move to step number 9, which is present your findings. Dedicate a chapter to present your research findings logically and systematically. Use graphs, tables, and figures to enhance the readability of complex data. Step number 10 would be craft the discussion and conclusion. Interpret your findings and discuss their implications. Relate your results back to your research objectives and provide thoughtful insights. Conclude your dissertation by summarizing key findings and suggesting future research avenues. Step number 11, edit and revise. Review your dissertation thoroughly, paying attention to grammar, spelling, and formatting. Seek feedback from peers or professors to refine your work further. Step number 12, the last step would be submit your masterpiece. Finally, it's time to submit your well-crafted dissertation. Celebrate your hard work and the knowledge you've contributed to your field of study. See, at ContentHolic, we know that the journey of writing a dissertation can be challenging, but with dedication and the right guidance, it can also be incredibly rewarding. If you need further assistance or guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to our team of expert writers and editors. We are here to help you succeed in your academic endeavors. Contact our experts today and take the first step towards a remarkable dissertation that will make you proud. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.